video, I'll be sharing with you a tutorial on how to cut this stylish underbust basque dress with gathered flay. So if this is something you like, kindly hit on the subscribe button. For this dress, we are going to cut the upper part first. You need your shoulder to bust, under bust, and your shoulder to waistline. Then add additional 3.5 inches for your basque. The upper part, go ahead to place your tape and mark your shoulder divided by 2 plus half. Then come down by 1 inch because of your shoulder slant. I marked a basic neckline of 3 inches, which I'll place my ruler and I'll connect to 1 inch all the way down. The next step is to find the chest line, which is your bust measurement divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches. I'll draw a straight line there. I'll place my tape and I will mark my shoulder divided by 2 plus half again. Then I'll place my ruler to connect a straight line. At this point, I'm going to share what I have here into 2 equal parts. Then I'll come out by ½ inch. I'll place my tape and mark the bust circumference divided by 4. I'm going to connect this all the way up and then connect this all the way to the chest line. After marking this, I'll start by marking my nipple to nipple divided by 2. My nipple to nipple is 7 inches divided by 2, which gives me 3.5. So I was meant to mark this all the way to the bust, which I just stopped at the under bust, but I'll still go ahead to readjust this much later. I'll go ahead to mark ½ inch on both sides of my basque length. Now you can also mark this ½ inch on the waistline, which I'm just marking it at the basque because it's the same measurement I'll take for my waistline is what is going to be towards the basque length, right? So now I will insert my body measurement. I'll mark my bust circumference divided by 4 and add my sewing allowance. What I'll do is to extend this line all the way to my bust, right? So I'll come down by 1 inch from there and I'll go ahead to connect this to the darts I have initially. So I was actually supposed to take this all the way to the bust, but I stopped at the under bust. Now I'll go ahead to check my measurement if it's okay. Then mark the under bust measurement divided by 4. Pick the dart intake you have there, replace, and then add your sewing allowance. Here you're going to mark the waist measurement divided by 4. Pick this ½ inch dart intake on both sides, which will give you 1 inch and mark. Now whatever measurement you have on the waistline, that is what you're going to replace at the basque length of your dress. After marking that, you want to place your ruler and connect from the bust to the under bust to the waist and down to the blouse length. The neckline, I'll come in by ½ inch. Then from here, I'll go up by 1.5 from the under bust. I'll come in by ½ inch again and connect this to my under bust. After connecting, I'll use my marker to outline. Then I'll go ahead to connect this to the neckline. After connecting to the neckline, I'll come up by 1.5 inches here. Then I'll connect this to that side. Now you're going to slash the lower part open because you're going to slash it a bit and spread to get that ruche we have towards the under bust. I'll come in from my waistline, then draw out the basque towards the lower part of this blouse. So the next step I'll take is just to go ahead to cut this out. I'll also go ahead to cut the sides, then cut the under bust, blend this together as one piece, then I'll slash open this part. Now you're going to spread this on fabric to cut out. Then you will now go ahead to run like a gather stitch at the lower part to bring it back to the original size, and then you attach it to the under bust. For this pattern, I marked out the zipper for the back, which is 1.5. You can use 2 inches. For the neckline, I used 3.5 inches by 1, right? So after that, I'll just go ahead to mark my darts. I'll mark my nipple to nipple divided by 2 and I'll draw out my straight line. I also got the chest line just like we did for that of the front. Now for the dart, I'll mark ½ inch on both sides, come down by 1 inch from the bust line and I'll connect this all the way up. The next step is to insert your bust measurement. I'm going to mark the bust measurement divided by 4, then add my sewing allowance. Here I'll mark the waist measurement divided by 4. I'll pick this dart intake, replace and add my sewing allowance. You want to place your ruler and connect. Now this is what I have. I'll also extend the neckline. So now you're going to measure the back neckline of your dress. This measurement will stop where the zipper is. You're not going to measure your zipper allowance, and what I have here, there is 3.5. Now at the lower part at the waistline, I marked ½ inch, which I'll extend this all the way up. After extending this, I'll just go ahead to cut out the excess, and I'll cut out the rest of my pattern. If you have any question, please kindly go ahead to ask, right? Then I'll cut out the zipper bulge. For the back pattern, this is what you'll be having. Now let's cut out the lower part. The lower part of this dress is actually a flay, but you're not going to use your actual waistline to cut it. You're going to use like ×2 or ×3 of your waistline. That way you can gather it and actually cut out like 2 layers of flay and join it together. First, you need to fold this into 2 and fold it again. Whatever you have on your waistline, you divide it by 4. So let's say your waist is 16 inches, but you're not going to use your actual waistline, you add extra. So let's say I added extra to what I have, and I have like 24 inches. For your waistline, you can add extra 10 to 15 inches, right? Then divide it by 4. If you divide 24 by 4, what you have is 6 inches. What I'll do is I'll create like a rough curve that is about 6 inches round. So remember, this is not your actual waistline, right? So after drawing that out, the next step you want to take to place your tape wherever it touches that line, that measurement is what you will take round. So what I have is roughly 3.5, which I'll take it all the way around. Then I will now connect it. This new line I'm connecting now is your new waistline of this pattern, right? Now what you do is measure your full gown length. Let's say my full gown length is 37. Then my shoulder to waist is 17. Now minus that 17 from 37, it will give me 20 inches. Now place this from your new waistline and mark 20 inches for your full gown length. But since I'm cutting this, I'll just use a smaller measurement, just like I did for the waistline of the flay. So whatever you get, you draw out a small circle this way, connect it all the way to the end. After connecting it, you go ahead to cut this out. After cutting this, you can go ahead to slit this. So you can cut like 2 to 3 times, join it. Then when you gather the waistline, you join it to the basque waistline of your dress. You notice the collar of the front pattern did not get all the way down. So let's say the measurement from the shoulder to where the collar stops, 2 inches. Then remember, we measured the back neckline giving us 3.5, which will give us a total of 5.5. Mark that 5.5 and divide it by 2. Mark the midpoint. Now from this midpoint, here is the back and here is the front, right? Now from the back, you're going to come down by ½ inch this way. The back is the side going towards the zipper. Mark ½ inch at this point, then connect it to the midpoint of your pattern. After connecting it to that point, then blend it out. Now take the measurement of the collar you want to use. So let's say I'm using 3 inches for my collar. You're going to place your tape and measure that 3 inches, starting from that ½ inch you came down from. I'm just going to mark that 3 inches all the way down, right? Now when I get to the front this way, I'm going to extend this out by 1 inch. Then I'll blend this out. Then I'll place my ruler and I will connect. Now this is what I have. I'll go ahead to extend it out again to make it come out a bit. That is the front part of the collar, so that is why I'm adding that extension to that part. So this is what you'll be having as the collar of the dress.